Welcome back to Design Patterns for Game Developers. My name is Charles Hachet, and today we're going to be talking about members of the abstract factory pattern. The abstract factory pattern has the following members: a client, an abstract factory, a concrete factory, an abstract product, and a concrete product. The client's job is to interact with the abstract factory and ask that abstract factory to create some sort of a concrete product. This is done through the abstract interface. The abstract factory is an interface only through which the client can expect to interact with the concrete factory. The concrete factory is an implementation of the abstract factory. It creates some sort of a concrete product, but returns a product oftentimes as an abstract product. The abstract product also acts as an interface, this time as the concrete product. The interface defines how a client can interact with the product. The client knows how to interact with the abstraction, but the specific implementation of the interaction is defined on the concrete class. The pattern is preferred because it utilizes encapsulation and prevents tight coupling by limiting direct knowledge between the client, the product, and the factory. It should be preferred to leave that layer of abstraction in place as often as possible, with the understanding that your use case is going to vary. Let's take a look to see how we can implement that now.